Are you looking for the best sublimation printers? In this video we will look at some of the best sublimation printers. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Lean 4x6-inch photo. Might be too small. You'll be able to enjoy a convenient, portable printer when you choose this model. It can go just about anywhere with you and is small enough to fit into luggage or a large purse. This portability makes it perfect for photographers who need results on the go. Unfortunately, this is a relatively small model that might not be able to fulfill your requirements. If you're looking for more oversized prints, this is not going to be the right fit for your needs. Since it uses thermal dye sublimation, you can count on this printer to always provide vivid color. The process means that ink penetrates deeply, allowing for better color replication. A final layer is applied that provides a protectant against scratching and fading in your prints. It also adds a little bit of waterproofing. The user-friendly design means that anybody will be able to use it with ease. It's also resistant to typical issues, like paper jams. Wonderful photo quality. Compared with traditional picture printers, Lean 4x6 photo printer prints photos 4x6 foot instantly with thermal dye sublimation, by which dyes can deeply penetrate the paper, making photos vibrant. The last layer that's protective and printing covered on the photo makes it better to protect photos from water, scratch, and fading. The photo printer for iPhone prints pretty. Grab the instant photo printer. Grab the chance of keeping these precious memories with you forever. User-friendly design, no paper jam anymore. Photo paper can align with the photo printer 4x6 and successfully thread it when printing. Check out which printing step the Wi-Fi photo printer has been when printing via app. Don't fear any errors. Lean app will navigate you to solve the problem step by step to keep using photo printer 4x6 on track. For your convenience, the package comes with 20 PCS of Lean photo printer paper and 1 cartridge. Get Lean photo printer now. Number 2. Epson SureColor P700. Might be slow at receiving data. Those looking for an incredibly vivid print will find what they're looking for in this model. It has outstanding vibrancy and quality because of the Ultrachrome Pro 10 ink it uses. This provides a broader color gamut to replicate original, rich colors. Unfortunately, this printer has been known to be a little on the slow side when receiving print jobs from wireless connections. This could be a deal breaker for some consumers. There are also dedicated nozzles for photo and matte ink. Because of this, you don't have to constantly switch back and forth between them. This smart model can connect to your favorite device for a more effortless experience with printing. It's a highly convenient option because of this. You can connect using a smartphone, tablet, laptop, or desktop computer. It's especially great for those with iOS devices. Outstanding image quality and color. All-new Ultrachrome Pro 10 ink with violet produces a wide color gamut for vibrant and rich colors. No photo and matte black ink switching, dedicated nozzles for both black ink types, no switching needed. New 10-channel micro-piezo AMC printhead consistently delivers prints with outstanding speed, consistency, and accuracy. Easy printing from smart devices. Print color-managed files directly from your iOS device, using an easy-to-use interface. Number 3. Canon PIXMA TR4520. Color may not be very vibrant. When you choose this model, you'll have access to an excellent app to print quickly from your smart device. Several features packed into this printer make it a perfect option for busy households, such as AirPrint and Mopria print service. Unfortunately, this printer is not known for producing the most vibrant color. If you're looking for a super bright reproduction of color, then this model will not be a good fit for your needs. The connectivity technology includes a USB port to connect to your computer directly. If you have iOS, Android, Windows 10 Mobile, or Fire OS devices, you'll also be able to connect. This gives a massive range of available options for printing. No matter your device, you should be able to use this model. This model will also work with Alexa for a few different voice commands. You can ask Alexa to discover your printer, for example. With Wireless Connect and the Canon Print app, use your smartphone to quickly and easily set up your printer and print right from your smartphone or tablet. With features like AirPrint, Mopria print service, auto power on/off, a built-in ADF, and Wi-Fi, it's easy to see why Pixma printers are so simple to use. Connectivity technology, USB. Printer technology, inkjet. Mobile operating systems, iOS, Android, Windows 10 Mobile, and Fire OS, Amazon Fire, devices. Save 10% on all ink reorders with Dash replenishment. Upon activation, your printer measures ink levels and places smart reorders when. Number 4. Sawgrass SG500. Might not have great longevity. Any busy business will benefit from using this printer model. It's a great option regardless of how large your business might be, but it's the best model for those just starting out. It provides low startup costs while still delivering the functionality that you need. However, you'll want to keep in mind that many consumers have complained about their printers not having enough longevity. It might wear out more quickly than some other models. This printer is a multifunctional model that can perform many tasks. Whether you need to print photos, flyers, brochures, or documents, it can deliver stunning results every single time. It's also an eco-friendly model because it minimizes the usage of ink, allowing you to worry less about expensive cartridge refills. This is an energy-efficient model that anybody who wants to help the environment can enjoy. You'll also have access to Creative Studio Online Designer. Number 5. Workforce WF7710. Ink runs out rather quickly. This is a great option for your household if you have several different jobs your printer needs to accomplish. This is an all-in-one option that will scan, fax, copy, and print for you. You'll even be able to create borderless prints up to 13 inches by 19 inches in size. This is done using Precision Core technology. While this is an excellent choice for many reasons, it also has flaws. Unfortunately, the ink capacity is relatively low, and it might run out of ink in the middle of long, ink-rich printing jobs. The 4.3-inch touchscreen display makes this an easy-to-use option. With the high-capacity paper tray, you won't have to worry about constantly replenishing the supply. It will hold up to 250 sheets of paper at a time. This is more than enough to get through your day-to-day needs, especially if it's for a personal household. You'll appreciate the inclusion of automatic two-sided printing, especially since this removes the hassle of manually printing dual-sided documents. About this item. Storage dimensions, 22.3-inch WX 19.1 DX 13.4H. Epson all-in-one printer can print, scan, copy, and fax. Precision Core technology lets you create borderless prints up to 13 inches by 19 inches in size. 250 sheet paper tray can also hold up to 20 sheets of photo paper or 10 envelopes. Automatic two-sided print speeds of 8.7 ppm ISO in black and 6 ppm ISO in color. 4.3-inch color touchscreen. Wireless printing and networking from iPad, iPhone, Android tablets, and smartphones.